No, 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 you are wrong in every way. Because this is not one, not two, but five passive income apps that will pay you $700 or more, and you can do this over and over again, and you literally do nothing once you set them up correctly. Just imagine waking up in bed, reaching for your phone, and seeing $50, $100, $200, or even $400 payments coming in. They keep coming in on their own, without you having to do anything. How would that make your life different? The best part is that you can get paid in many different ways that are available everywhere in the world, and all you need is your smartphone to do this. You can do this on your Android phone or iPhone by just following my easy steps. Download the app, sign up for an account, set it up using my examples, and you're ready to go and start making money. Once more, the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. So make sure you watch until the end to find out how to use all five of these apps to make the most money quickly. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to our channels and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos that can help you make money. Let's watch the video now. In this video, I'll show you a few sites and apps that can help you make money. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end to learn all of them in order for you to maximize your earning. Now, I want to show you SurveyTime, which is the first website I want to talk about today. You can now head over to surveytime.io. Basically, for every survey you fill out, you can get $1 right away. And one thing I like about this website is that all of the services are very easy to use and don't take more than a minute to finish. And in just a moment, I'll show you some examples of surveys you can do. So let me quickly show you that there are a couple of ways to pay for this website. As you can see here, you can cash out using Coinbase, which is cryptocurrency, an Amazon gift card, a Target gift card, or you can write a check to your PayPal account. So you can sign up for a free account right here using a Facebook, Google account. If you don't have one of those, you can just type in your email address and then click Start Now. So when you sign up for a free account, you'll be taken to this page where you have to answer a few questions so they can send you the most relevant survey. So all you have to do is go down here and click on this button to start right now. That will take you to this page where you have to answer a total of 31 different questions, and mainly they're asking about your personal information. For example, your birthday, what is your country, what is your hobby, what's your interest, and so on. So they can give you the most appropriate survey. Now, this survey right here is going to take about 5 minutes. So once you finish your first surveys, all the other services will take you less than 60 seconds to finish, which is a very quick way to earn $1 over and over again. So as usual, I'll do my best to give you some extra advice. You can now move on to Junkfill. You can get this free Google Chrome extension by going to Google and searching for Junkfill. Basically, they have over 8,000 users right now, and they use AI technology to help you automatically fill out forms and surveys. It's actually a very good and useful tool, but not many people know about it, and I'll always give you the most up-to-date ways to make money online. If you like what you heard, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's move on to the next site, which is called Profit Product Creator. And a lot of people use this app to make up to $1,000 online every day by using digital products with 100% free traffic. And by using Profit Products Creator, a lot of people are making sales and commission just like this. Keep rolling in every hour, every minute. And these are just a few of the user testimonials you can see here, like Cindy Trackford. The first thing I created generated over $2,393 in the first 24 hours of sale. And here's another testimonial from Marshall. If you want to make easy money by creating your own products, then Profit Product Creator is for you. I made $1,000 on my first day selling a product I created with this app. Now, for those of you guys, if you want to take your income to the next level, if you're looking for making thousands of tens of thousands of dollars every single month, you know that digital products is the future. And there are a lot of successful entrepreneurs and marketers like Pat Flynn, Ryans, and Sunil Patel. They are using online courses, ebooks, and selling digital products and making tens of millions. The good news is that you can use this app, which is called Profit Product Creator, to create your own wildly profitable digital products in less than 60 seconds. And this is super beginner friendly, applicable for any new beginners, and never make any money before you create them for different digital products. For example, you could start selling EVO online courses, online training, and other similar things to other people. And the best part is that they are all very high quality and have been shown to sell. Also, this system will give you free traffic, which means that they will help you sell your courses, ebooks, and other digital products. And if you have your own digital products, you can also make a lot of commissions or daily payments like this. In the last week, you made $1,000, and in a month, you could make up to $4,000. It's perfectly possible for a complete beginner. So if you want to make $500 to $1,000 a day, now we'll talk about the third website, which is called Remotasks. You can now go to the website remotasks.com. You can basically make money on this site by doing some simple and easy tasks. You can do it on your phone, on your computer, or from the comfort of your own home. So quickly, this is how it all works. To begin, you first sign up for a free account by simply utilizing Facebook to create a free and worldwide account, and then you must register and qualify for various portions and categories of work that you can do. Once you're happy with that, you can start working on different categories. I'll give you some examples in a moment. And finally, once you finish the tasks, you can get paid and make money, and you can get paid every week on time through your PayPal account. And these are just a few examples of other easy paths you can take. First of all, you can look at pictures here. You can basically draw boxes around different things to help people figure out what's where. For instance, they might ask you to draw lines or boxes around a car. You can get paid per task by using your phone to draw a simple line of boxes around the object, and you can get paid per task. They also have 3D annotation, OCR transcription, and ratio categorization for the future. Basically, they'll show different pictures and ask you to categorize the image into different categories and write about how they compare, like a white car and a black car, and they tell you to draw a line on the black car. All you have to do is draw a simple line of boxes around whatever objects they ask you to draw on them. And finally, we have collect data. We need to do some simple research, searching and browsing on the internet to gather information that we will then type into a document. So they are all really very simple tasks that anyone can do even if they have never done them before. So if you want to sign up for a free account, just click this button. That will take you to this page where you can find out more about this chance, and you can create your free account using your Facebook or Google account. Moving on to the fourth website, which is called YouGenBots. Basically, YouGenBots will help you make automated profits and earn you more than $350 per day with the world's first truly natural robot content. On top of that, they'll send you free traffic 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and easy one-click monetization. Now we all know that there are a lot of bloggers, a lot of people who make a lot of money by writing simple articles and blog posts. They are making a lot of money. Just for example, these block right here, lifestyle blogging. They make about $41,000 per month. And here's another example, recipe or cooking blogs, and they're making $46,000 per month. Write you another example of budgeting and promoting blogging, making over $86,000 per month, which is crazy. And we have so many different types of blogs in so many different niches. It's about a blog about buying cars that makes $125,000 per month. And finally, a family lifestyle and travel blog that makes more than $170,000 per month. There are a lot of earning opportunities by creating a blog post and owning a blog, and there are a lot of successful bloggers and business owners who are making 5 figures or 6 figures every single year in passive income. Some of them even reach 7 figures, making millions of dollars per year. And that's how YouGenBots lets you make money. Basically, step 1 is to decide what you want to write about or what niche you want to be in. For example, parenting, recipes, or maybe basketball, or anything else that you're interested in which is profitable. Step 2 is to turn on the automated profit side by using YouGenBots. Step 3 can help you make money by giving you multiple passive income sources, and one very effective way to make money with a done-for-you bar, which is by simply earning commission, affiliate commission online. You can see here $1,000 in yesterday and over $10,000 in the last 30 days. Other than affiliate commission, you can also monetize your blogs with AdSense. Right now, they're putting different ads on your blog with just one-click monetization, and the ways to make money here are endless. Now we'll move on to the final app, which is called BuzzBreak. You can visit buzzbreak.news, simply reading news on your mobile phone, and earn free cash online. You can now do it with your Android phone. It's possible to do it on your iPhone. Now, for instance, if I click on this button right here, I can go to my Google Play Store and download this app for free. And this app is called BuzzBreak. You can get free money by viewing funny videos. So once you sign up for a free account, you can find different meals on your dashboard that you can reach on them. It will let you click on any of the titles and start reading the news, and every day the news will be updated. Once you have enough points, it's easy to turn them into cash. You can get your money through a bank transfer, Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, or your PayPal account. In fact, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what your favorite way is to pay your country. For me, it would be better to use PayPal. Overall, they're getting about 324,000 reviews, and they're getting 4.4 stars, which is actually quite outstanding. There are a lot of positive comments and reviews about this app right here. In fact, this app is very useful. I've only been using this app for 2 days. It seems promising, and it does pay. So once more, you should check it out if you want to make free money online by just reading news. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the following video.